They're moving! Get to that tree line! Good, you made it. Get out, Horn, and get the cheat on the way. We arrived under these fuckers must have played there. There you are. Bro, Mikey Sound, I be over there. Remember, forgotten country. Hey guys, it's Jordan from J-Mount Development Group, and today we're here on the range and we have thrown together what we're calling the Vibe Rifle. This is not a particular clone of anything. This is just a rifle we've thrown together to get close enough for the vibes and have fun with. You know, this is not a serious rifle we've thrown together, but does not mean it cannot put in work. We have been running the piss out of this thing. So what this thing is, it is a 10.3 PSA upper, a flat top upper, because for some ungodly reason, carry and handle uppers are through the roof right now. And I'm not dropping that kind of coin on that. So we're going to make do with a flat top because it's for the vibes, right? It gets us close enough. And what we did is we just throw some round handguards on here. Clamped a knockoff light on here. And it's close enough for the vibes. So paired here with our vibes rifle today, since we're sticking with the retro South African vibe, we have this mil-spec vest. It's something I picked up in Cabela's or something like that the other day. It was on the cheap.
Hi there. Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
It's nothing like your pattern 83 South African vest or nothing like that, but it's for the vibes. It's close enough. It gets the job done. Not here running a gun on the range. Because we are big fans of our Black Hawk Down or Blood Diamond era movies. So it's for the vibes, right? And we're gonna have a video coming up on this here soon.
I'm from Rhodesia.
We say Zimbabwe now, don't we?
Do we?
And that's why you check your chamber before you reload. Shoot some lube in her. She is pretty dry. She also does have about 2,000 rounds on her. 4 lubed at that, so she is pretty dry. Not bad for PSA operating. Now let's see if we get a face full oil after lubing her up a little bit.